In Photoshop, you can use gradients to create all kinds of very quick abstract designs. Go over here to the gradient tool. With the gradient tool selected, go up here, select gradient, and also select black and white and also linear. Click the document and drag. I've got the properties panel open, really useful, so I can go to window and properties. And here I can then change this, the type. Instead of using solid, I can go with noise. Now the end result will be something like this. It may vary obviously depending on your system. But what you can do is you can go here to roughness and you can push it up to max. You get these sort of excessive lines, but you can also push it down. And I'm just going to push it to about 10%. Now you can barely see the gradient, but it's still there. So with this, I'm just going to move this out of the way. I could use it and create more designs, but I'm going to go with this. So layer and flatten image. Now what I can do is I can go over here to filter and then down here to distort and wave. And you think, well, it's not going to do very much. Doesn't look very much either. But what you do, wave. And now in wave, you can see a little preview. Unfortunately, it's not available here. Oh, number of generators, set it to 1. I'm setting the wavelength here, 390 and 741 for the max. Amplitude, 578 and also max 807. 100%, 100%, wrap around and sign. And then click OK. And you get this, which I think is quite a nice background abstract design you can use in many different ways. But also what you can do, you can apply it multiple times. So filter and wave. Just apply again, it will use exactly the same settings. Then you've got a slightly more abstract design. Filter, wave. And of course you can always use this as well, shortcut, just to apply it multiple times. I'm going to apply it a couple of times, something like that. Well, what you can then do is you can go over here to image and then auto tone. Select that and then you get that. A very abstract design, very quickly produced, which you can then blur slightly if you want. Go to filter and go to down here to stylize, maybe use oil paint or some of the blurs. So with this, stylization set to 10, cleanliness 0, lighting turned off, and click OK. And again, you can repeat it over and over again to create a slightly smeared design very quickly. Hope you found this of interest. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Bye.